Managing complex strategic frameworks at scale requires more than just tracking standard goals. It demands the flexibility to capture your unique organizational context. With OKR custom fields in BigPicture, you can tailor your strategic themes, objectives, and key results with bespoke metadata, such as budget allocations, regional tags, or custom risk parameters. To create a custom OKR field, head over to OKR Settings and select the Fields tab. Next, click the Create New button. On the Creation screen, name your new field and select its data type from the drop-down menu. For example, we're going to create a region field and choose Select as the data type. By tagging goals with a region custom field, you can seamlessly slice massive global portfolios into localized dashboards for AMER, EMEA, or APAC teams. This ensures that geographic dependencies, regional regulatory compliance, and localized market ownership are clearly mapped and tracked without cluttering top-level corporate objectives. Next, decide whether this custom field should apply to all OKR levels, only to strategic themes and objectives, or exclusively to key results. Let's leave both boxes checked. You can also add an optional description if you need to provide additional context for your teams. Click Create to finish. Your new custom field is now active and visible in the list. Let's head back to the Overview screen. By default, all new custom fields appear at the end of your column layout. You can also find them on the side panel and Details page. You can rearrange their order directly within the view or via the column layout configuration menu. To add the field value for a specific OKR, simply click into the column and select your desired option from the drop-down. If you ever find that you no longer need this field, you can easily hide it within the Settings or Column Layout view. Hiding the field removes it from active display while securely retaining all underlying historical data associated with it. Alternatively, you can edit or permanently delete the field altogether back in the OKR settings. Ready to unlock deeper context across your enterprise portfolio? Start building your own OKR custom fields in BigPicture today and transform the way you measure strategic success.